everyone, welcome to Crypto 4.0 Artificial Intelligence channel. This time I will prepare a video about XRP price prediction. First video I explain the concept about artificial intelligence machine learning regression. The second video I made a case one that was about Bitcoin price prediction, and now the idea is to present XRP price prediction for the future coming months. XRP was for 0.4 cents in beginning of November, and now they grew up 6x, so it's 0.24 cents. So this is a very interesting case, and our intention here is to look on this specific case. So again, just recapitulation for the ones that did not attend the other videos. Just the whole idea is that I will go and download the XRP data in a specific website, and this data I will split in training data sets and test data sets. So that will be 70% of the total data used by training, and this 7% is selected randomically, and the other 30% for testing. Then there will be different models, and I explain all these models: support vector machine, regression, linear regression, Gaussian model, neural network. All those methods, the main methodology are explained in the first video. If you want to get more detail, go to the first video that explains this method, but in general you understand the concept. Here there will be different models. Each model will provide one regression, and then in the end the verification will be to compare the different model error. That means the difference between the predicted value of price compared to the real price. And then the model that has the lowest error will be the model I will select to make my XRP prediction. Then this new data set will be a file with future values that I want to know. So basically this file, new file, will be applied for this model. This new file will have some values of again the concept of dependent variable and independent variable. Then this file will have independent variable as a price, but with a no price in there. So that's why I want to find out. This file will have volume of transactions, future values of transaction, and also future values of market cap that the XRP can achieve. And based on it, the model will predict the future price for XRP. And then of course in the future, as soon as I get the real values of market cap, volume of transaction, price, I will validate this model and go forward updating this model, and this cycle go without any interruption. Here you can see here the website where I collect the information, and basically I need to go to CoinMarketCap. The website that I choose to get this data is very simple. So I choose XRP, and here in this part here I will select the graph. So I will demonstrate how to do that step by step for you have an understanding how to predict the price for XRP, for example. That is this in this case similar what we did for Bitcoin. So now I'm on a CoinMarketCap website. I already select the XRP coin. So if I come here in the ranking, will have different coins. So I need to select the one that I want to collect the data. So, and then what I'm going to do is simply let's say waiting for the graph comes out. Here you can see that is the price for the 12 p.m. yesterday to 8 p.m. today, or 10 p.m. 11 p.m. So what I do here, I select all. So now I have the price from the beginning of XRP until now, and then I come here and I want to select this chart. Then I will download the file. I already done this exercise just to check if everything is working. So I come here and we'll open this data. This data will shows up. Here we are, and now I want to save this file. in my computer. So this is an original file. So I need to choose where are you save this file. So here we are. Yep, crypto regressions, and then I have here XRP. Okay, so I will save in there. Okay, so now I will prepare this file. So I will call this new file as XRP price. XRP price. Okay, I save this one. Now I will prepare this file. What I don't want this time. I remember when I mentioned before discussion about the time. The easiest way to make a prediction is based on time. Just see how is the price increase along the time. But we know that in case of crypto, from time to time the price goes down because people are selling, and then that's not in a range. In a long period of time, you can see the trends that's increasing, but you have some down trends along the time, and then that's why the time is not only it's not the best dependent variable to use as a price prediction. So and in this case we have market cap and volume of transaction. These two are very good values for prediction. So what I select here is this two as independent variable, and here are the price. So this column here has a name, is a code. I delete, and then I have three options: open, high, low, and close. So you can choose if you want to be open is not so far, but here high and low price for each day, month, and the close price. So as I mentioned before, if you want to be more optimist, use the higher price. If you want to be more conservative, you can use low price, but I like to use the close price, and here I will put simply price. And then now I have my file. I save this one, XRP, and the next step now is to import this database to the MATLAB to perform the regression. So what is very important point here, I have some zero values here. You can see some zero values, and then when because actually I do not have the total market cap and volume for this month, and that's a decision that I have to do what I can do here. Here we can see that there is already a considerable increase of the price of Bitcoin, of XRP here from this month to this month. But as long as I do not have this value, I can or copy and paste these two values or simply increase. But I can also check in the website what was the value or actual value and paste it here. So maybe we can do that. So let's check in the website. Okay, so we have this volume and this market caps. Okay, so it's 138 billion. Okay, I can make approximately so far December, and then I need to check it here what I have. Yeah, it's not. So let's assume here that it's not, the volume is not is lower than this value that I had in the previous month. Of course, because I just beginning of the month. So what I can do is to copy and paste this volume here, or simply delete this value here. Let's not consider the last value here. And in the beginning, I also have zero values for volume. The volume was not captured in here. So I can also or consider that's the same volume that I had here, or simply let's say delete. Let's delete these two values here. And let's not take a huge influence on the prediction, because yep, I have a considerable good number of these. So now my file is ready. I can just make some arrangements here. The file is ready to be imported for the artificial intelligence model. So sorry, it's not this one, it's this one here. Yeah, here you are. We save, and now we go to the MATLAB to perform the artificial intelligence assessment, and then I will import this database in there. So here we are. We have our MATLAB open. As I explained before, we have apps here for making easier our machine learning, regression, prediction, and not have to use some command here. I will do one exercise here. You can see above sometime one example that I use for prediction by using this type of codes. But yeah, I will do simple for everyone have an understanding that you don't need to know coding. You just come in here, regression learner, get the app, and then by using the app you need to have a very simple understanding about how to import the data, how to set up the data in the app, and then you get your prediction, your functions, and then you get your price in the end. So that's basically what's take place in here. So here we are in the app open. We now it's time to import the data. Very simple. You go to new section, then you need to find your regression model. So you need to come step forward, find the file. So this is case 2, and then here there's the XRP price. This database I'm importing. So the important tool shows up here. The data will shows up to be approved. So I need to pay attention. This is the real file that I'm looking for. And here I already showed the XRP price, but that is the one that I want. Then I click here to import data, and then this database now is imported to make the assessment. Then of course next steps will take place in here. So need to waiting for the data comes out. Yes, the data are coming. So this is the first and important step. So we need to have the database here that shows have 132 lines and 3 columns. And here is the important point. I need to pay attention here. My response means independent variable, the ones that I want to predict. And here are the dependent variables, the ones that I use to predict this one. So as I mentioned, I let this set up as a 5. This unfolds the pressure before, and here I just increase the percentage of the data that will be used for testing data. So as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I split the data in training data sets and test data set. And then now I start this section. So the first step now there's a MATLAB you're going to do, they will present the data. And there is already one model here, the tree model set up, but I don't want to run my regression model in the tree unless they show the solution here. The machine learning solution shows me that is the best regression model. That in the other words, it's the regression model that have the smaller error, mean square root error. So here these are the original data. So I have the price and the volume of transaction. I can also do based on market cap. So another graph comes out, so you can see that the market cap have a very linear correlation with the price, and that's why the volume is for me one important variable to see how the predicted value will come out here. So after that I run the simulation, I will get these values, the predicted values here. Then I can see the error, how good or bad, if the points comes far away from the real points here. I need to look for a bad prediction. But at the moment, what I'm going to do, I want to select all models and training all. Now what's going to happen is the software will use all the models available here in MATLAB. So there are models that I did not explain before, but You see here Gaussian methods, you see here linear regression, you see here supervised vector machine, and also the neural network and others. So in the end, I will check about the mean square error. The one that has smaller mean square error is the one that I'll pick up for my price prediction, XRP price prediction. So here we are. We have three methods. The algorithm start to training. So here I have linear regression 2.1, and I have already the error. So this is the plot response for the linear regression. But you can see that's already we had some discrepancies in the plots. But in the end, what I can see here is that my linear regression methods will start to have the root mean square error calculation here, and then I can see the linear regression here. This linear regression method here have a smaller 0.070, the other have higher 7.1, 7.3, and then here I can see the tree model have a smaller, higher error actually. So I will not use this tree model that's have a higher comparing to the tree regression. Then I can see here, okay, this is support vector machine. Support vector machine have a quite a smaller error compared to the linear regression. So here, for example, the smaller one that I have so far is this linear regression method, but support vector machine also presents a smaller error, very close to what I had in linear regression. But and the model goes on. I need to waiting for the other prediction here. They are already done. Let's take a look below. Yeah, this is what I got. Okay, here we have assemble methods. The higher error. I have no other methods. Gaussian presents a higher error compared to support vector machine and linear regression. Now I have neural network. Neural network presents the smaller error. You can see here 0.004 compared to linear regression 0.07. So, and then they already mark, here I got smaller, 0.02, so very small error for neural network. So the software already mark here, the best option is the neural network. So they run basically 28 different models and show me the one that have smaller root mean square error value. This is the one that I want to use. So I choose this neural network, and then I will get the response for this neural network model. So I can see that the blue points are the true values, and the predicted points are the, let's say, the predicted values. And you can see this strip here. This shows that the error is very, very small. So that's good, very good. And I can see the plots between the predicted and the real values, very close. So if I calculate a correlation coefficient here in this line, a regression line, I will obtain something very close to 1. And then now I export my model. So I export my model, and what I'm going to show training model, they will so-called training model, and yeah, export to MATLAB, and then I need to go to the second screen. So here now I have my exported model. Remember that this model is the neural network model, and then what I need to do now is to get a new file with the future estimated values that I expect to have for the volume of transactions and the market cap, and based on it I will be able to predict different values of XRP price, and I will check it out if it makes sense or not, because I expect that the XRP goes higher the price a lot of time, and then that I need to check in the prediction. If this prediction will shows me that whenever this volume of transaction market cap goes up, if this price goes up as well, and how up goes. So what I'm going to do now is to create a copy of the XRP price. And that's file I will call XRP price 20,025, and I will prepare this file. Okay, and then what I need to know is the last, now I want you to look on the future. So let me eliminate all this information about the past. Okay, and now I'm considering this volume of transaction market cap. So what I'm going to do now is to, let's say, increase the value in 10%, 20%, 34, 5, 100, 200. Let's put into 100%. And there's here 200. Okay, that's fine. So and then that's basically what I'm going to do is to make this calculation. So I need to multiply this value for 0.1 plus this value here. And the same I will do for the market cap. And then I will do the same for all of these files, all of these lines here, until I get the all estimated values for the volume market cap. Of course, this is a sensitivity analysis. Depends upon how higher increase this market cap and volume of transaction, I will be able to predict the model. And that's why I will going to do. So now I did the calculation for all these values of increasing increments of volume market cap. So now what I'm going to do is just copy and paste it here. I will do something better. That's this file and save a new one as XRP price F. So XRP price F. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just to copy and paste here. Okay, and eliminate this one and eliminate this first file. More interesting for me. Okay, so now I have the possible market cap and volume of transaction in the future, and what I want to know is the price. So what I need to do now is I need to import this file here F, and to the MATLAB, so and then make the prediction. So I need to come back here in the MATLAB. Now I need to import it here. So I come here to the home and import data. Then I need to go to my file there, import the correct file. So come to crypto, regression, XRP, and this is the file. Okay, I import the file. The file shows up here before I need to validate the file, of course. So I import. Yep, the file is imported now. So here they are, and then all I need to do is now to get these values here. So I put this one, and then I need to put exactly that here in this T the file prices XRP price 25F. This is the name that I have here, and then need to click in enter. The model will predict the price for XRP in the coming future. So you see that this is the first price here, is actually the price that we already have, and then these are the future price, depends upon how higher goes this market cap. So if I come back to my file, I can open the other one. Let's call this file here as okay, so let's do something better here. Let's copy in here. Call that results. Okay, so yeah, here we are. Okay, so here is the file results. Then I need to present the values here. Values that I have in MATLAB. These values here I will copy and paste. Then okay, not this one, the other one. This one here, yeah, that's the one. Okay, so let's just put in organizing here my results. Okay, so this is the price prediction for XRP based on possible volume and market cap. One interesting comparison that we can do is if we compare the XRP with if the XRP actually go up to the hands. So take the Ethereum position. So currently XRP is in the third in the rank of the crypto coins. And if what's happened if let's say XRP gets to position into the second point. So in order to assess that, we need to have, of course, here the Ethereum volume. I just copy and paste market cap and volume for Ethereum. Then we just have an idea what's happened with Ethereum in the last month. So here was basically the volume of transaction, and here the market cap. So these two values, if we look on our prediction, that comes around here. So this is here around this region here. So that's this the last month market cap volume and market cap of Ethereum. So if XRP gets this second position, they get the minimum, must have the minimum this level of volume and market cap. And then if they achieve this volume and market cap, the price predictions will be between 10 and 12 dollars, and that's with a massive increasing of price. Okay, so that was our video prediction about XRP, and hope you enjoy it. So let's follow up the next video for a new prediction. Thanks for your participation and your attention. If you have additional question and question and remarks, just put down in the video. Okay, so thanks to attend this video.